you stay? Pay attention. We're not going that way. Sit. Stay. Good. Can you come? Come to me. Sit. Very good. It's a little weird. Come on, here. This way. This way. Good. Heel. Right here. Oh, good baby. Can you sit? Very good. Now we're going to do downs. We're still working a little bit on down. Oh, I noticed we cut out a video a bit. Come. Come this way. Can you come here? Good. Sit. Can you do it down? No, right here. You're not going to do it for me because we're in public. So it's interesting to see what they do in public because sometimes they get a little funky and she comes off really confident right at first, and then when I ask her to do stuff, you see a little bit of that insecurity. So she's being a little clingy and she's being a little fighty. So I'm going to put her in a physical down. Come on, down. Good. All the way. Down. Good. That's better. Nope. All the way. All the way. Good girl. Down. Stay. Down. Stay. Good girl. Now can you sit? That's better. So she'll need a little bit of extra reinforcement with her public socialization. She does really well, but she's got more excited energy than anything. So she's wanting to run around, play, and do fun stuff, but she's a little bit unsure, which is totally normal for her age. Good girl. You want to walk again? Come on, you. Wait. Good baby. Watch me. Do you sit? Good job. Stay. You have to stay. Sit. Stay. Good. Come. All the way to me. Good. Sit. Come on, baby. There she is, you guys. Okay, I'll see you next weekend. So soon and ready, huh? Good girl.